Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the system cannot find the file specified USB format error fixed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type DiskPart. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk space, 1. Type clean. Type convert space, GPT. Type clean. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type select space, partition space, 1. Type active. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Type exit. Type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.